Here's a video of how to get going in a project in Google Earth. So if you go into the assignment, click on the link to Google Earth, it'll open. If you don't have your digital permission done, you can always open it from your personal Gmail account. Go over here to this longitudinal menu over here on the left, click Projects, click New Project, Create Project in Google Drive. All right, so here we have an untitled project. You can go over here to the pen and say, what is the name of it? Final project, Geosystems, and then my last name. And I can put a description here. This is an around the world project, visiting sites that illustrate the concepts learned in geosystems. Okay, so now I can come down here and I can hit new feature and notice it's auto saving. So just like in all of the Google Suite, it auto saves. So if I hit new feature, I'm going to add a place mark, and I am going to go over here and I'm going to choose the Sahara Desert. So I'm going to choose a spot here. I'm going to call it Sahara Desert. I'm going to name it that, and I'm going to use, of my 4 areas in geosystems we have to cover, geology, meteorology, astronomy, or oceanography. For this one, I'm going to choose geology, and I'm going to put that right in this top right here. Here I have where I can put my paragraph. So I'm going to go do some research. I'm going to use my own words. I'm not going to copy and paste from Google, but I'm going to use my own words. I'm going to talk about the Sahara Desert, and maybe sedimentation processes that happened, windblown sediments, or abrasion as far as a physical weathering goes. Something, I'm going to choose one aspect of this location, I'm going to talk about that, and I'm going to type it into this box. I'm also going to make a note in my second paragraph or third paragraph about how this relates to what we have studied in the curriculum in Geosystems class. And you can, of course, change any of these that you want. You can change the background color, but you don't need to. Here's the latitude and longitude. We can leave the defaults. You can also go in here and get some images. Let's see, Google image search, and let's search Sahara Desert. I'm going to search for that. Find some images. I'm going to take this one. Oh, I like this one too. I like this one. I'm going to select that, and that will be added. I'm going to add, at least probably 3. Oh, I like a map. A map is good of the Sahara Desert. I'm going to select this one as well and put that in there. All right. Another good thing to do is put in an image of the process you're talking about. So abrasion, physical weathering. And you can put a diagram of what you're teaching about in this. There we go. Abrasion. Something about how the wind abrades, and so I can put an example or a diagram that teaches about that, as well as just pictures of the location. So wearing down rocks by friction, that's nice to have a definition in there. All right, and I can preview what this is going to look like by clicking this, and now I see what it's going to look like. I haven't added my paragraph like you will, but I can click through and see the images I've added. It's auto saved, so it's all set, and there we go. And now I have this here. When I want to add a new feature, I can go right there. But let me say I now want to search, I want to use the search bar, and I'm going to search for Hawaii volcanoes. I put it up here in the search bar, it'll take me right to that location in the map. And now I can add my point. I can add it here, Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, add it this way. And I want to add that point to my project. All right, and here we are. I'm going to replace this. And now I'm right back to where I was. I can add pictures. I can add text down here. Again, it's auto-saved. And now see, I also have Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Now say you've added all your points and now you want to go back and edit. You just put your cursor over that title and I can edit right here and get back to my editing bar right there, my editing window. All right, thank you so much.